Hey guys, I'm Jonathan with Fight Kitchen Fires Limited, and today I'm going to talk to you about another very common health department related mistake that you can avoid just by keeping it at the top of your mind. Today we're going to talk about clean non-cooking surfaces. Basically, you know to keep your cooking surfaces clean. However, the rest of the surfaces also need to be clean. We talked about in another episode about clean floors, but I'm talking about everything else. Think about the top of your oven, the top of your fridges, the edges of door frames. Basically, any other surface needs to be free of grease, dust, or any other type of accumulation. Make sure that you're getting your place cleaned, or you're cleaning it yourself, whichever way you decide to go. But just know that this is a very easy mistake to avoid if you plan for it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you next time.